Get some leaves out of there, old girl. Get over there, baby. It's stopping them up. Okay, you stay out there. I'll check on you in a little bit. Get them leaves, baby. Get them leaves. Throw them overboard. Much wind out there. So pretty, baby.
Hoy, baliktad pa galing si Nina. Oh my God, my clothes are outside.
What's wrong with you? You don't send your wife out into a storm to fix the drain. Man, it's thundering, it's lightning. There's wind out there. It's coming a typhoon, man. Why you gonna send your wife outside? I don't know about you. Well, folks, let me defend myself, okay? I come from the old school. If there's a burglar downstairs or if there's a noise, you don't send your wife out there. You, the man, saddle up, you go handle business. Okay. Got it, tracking. I'm from the old school. So why did I send my old lady out there to fix that drain when it was coming a rainstorm? It was cold. Well, there's a valid reason. It's because I'm out of clothes. All my clothes are dirty. They're wet, they're dirty, it's raining, she can't wash clothes. So we got to take a load of laundry up to the laundry. Wash, dry, fold, right? They got dryers up there. Talk about this many times before. Most folks here don't got no dryers. Very few dryers. Privately owned dryers. POD. Anyhow, people don't have dryers over here. You hang your stuff out on the clothesline. When it rains, you can't get it to dry. So we have like, I don't know, sacks of dirty clothes I got to take up to the laundry, and I'm on my last pair of dirty jeans. I ain't got no drawers. I'm sitting here rocking it commando, wearing my sleeping shirt, talking to you fine folks out there. So yesterday, if I had went out and fixed that drain, my last item of clothing would have been wet. I would have had to walk around in front of wife number 2 in my birthday suit. I'm sure she would enjoy that. But that's the reason. I had to send her out there because she's got suitcases and closets full of clothes. And I don't. It's my fault. I elected to bring camera gear instead of clothing the last time I went home. So, there you go. Excuses like assholes. Everybody got one. Or is that opinions? I don't know, folks. Anyhow, I just thought I would share that with you. She looked beautiful going out there. But what it is, there's this little tree, or this, not little, but there's this tree with those little bitty leaves. Normally, when it rains, there's no issues. But the other day, water starts coming into the bedroom. We're like, what the hell's going on? We go out there, the drain, as you clearly saw, is stopped up by these tiny leaves. Why? It's because of the wind. You know, we got this typhoon that blew north of here. We just caught the southern bands. But when that wind gets to whipping, it flips those little leaves off. They go over to the drain, stop it up, and then next thing you know, there's a lake going on. So not all the time, but typhoon time, you got to keep an eye on your outside drains, because the typhoon winds will blow the leaves over, stop up the drains, and then you have a problem. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. I just thought she looked cute, so I grabbed the camera. And the other reason, number 2, is she says the camera's too heavy, so somebody had to be the cameraman to capture the moment. What can I do? Sometimes you gotta dispatch your old lady to handle business. It's not pretty being the king of the castle. So Maria's going on, what is this, 3 days with online classes due to the rain. Hopefully it's over. Hopefully she'll get to go to school tomorrow. But little Forrest G's been feeling under the weather. So it's actually worked out in his favor, because there's no way he could have went to school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. He's on the comeback trail, but he's still laying around low battery. So old single dad watching him while Maria's downstairs getting her online classes underway, and Fatima stays down there and helps her with the technical stuff in case something goes down. So me and him are banished to the bedroom, so we don't make too much noise while she is attending her online classes. But see, Forrest G, since he's been sick, during the time that there's no school, he still got a perfect attendance record. The son, tomorrow you're going to have to saddle up and go to school, man, if you want to keep that perfect attendance record. He'll be fine by tomorrow. But it just worked out like that. Folks, thanks for joining us. Thanks for being a loyal viewer, friend, subscriber here on the show. Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button, or hit that like button. Helps out with them old Google squirrels inside this dang old computer. Alright, I'm going to get back to my rat killing. I'll see y'all on the next show, which I'm sure will be more spectacular than this one. But they can't always be an award-winning Sundance Film Festival winning Oscar type show coming to you live from my bedroom. Have a good one.